Honorable Speaker, the issue being raised by the leader of minority would seemingly be a very legitimate matter if the purported circular, as the Honorable Junet says, he has also seen it from the streets. I have not seen it in the streets. I have just had the privilege of the Honorable Pio and I sharing with me a bunch of papers that are not on a government letterhead, and therefore cannot ascertain whether this is indeed a circular from the government. Number two, Honorable Speaker, he says it is signed by the Honorable Felix Kosgei. Indeed, the circular seems, or rather this bunch of papers, have the name of Felix K. Kosgei without a signature. And therefore, Honorable Speaker, I am constrained as to whether, to begin with, these are papers that are admissible in the House. And Honorable Speaker, if we are to comment then on issues that are not properly before the House, because if Felix Kosgei wants to effect anything in Parliament, he would do so only through a properly documented process in line with the laws. And it is true, the head of public service cannot direct Parliament. That is a fact. When I read this bunch of papers, because I can quickly peruse through and read, there is absolutely nothing touching on Parliament, absolutely nothing. It is talking about cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries, yeah, delegations accompanying the president and the deputy president and the prime cabinet secretary. And it talks, on 5, it talks about governors of county governments. And it says, Honorable Speaker, because it's good to be factual, that delegations headed by governors of county government shall not exceed 3 persons, including the governor as the head of delegation 1+2, and shall remain guided by the tenets of circular number OP CAB 17A of 26th January 2015. Eight years ago, when myself and Honorable Pio are first-time members of Parliament, we do not have the benefits of sharing that particular circular of 2015 to know whether it came from the summit between governors and the executive. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, I would only request you to rule that first, this bunch of papers are inadmissible. Number two, Honorable Speaker, the leader of minority, as much has been very animated in moving his Honorable Speaker, protect me from the Honorable Mbui Nimrod, who is persuading me to use the word hot air. But I am trying not to use the word hot air. Honorable Speaker, and you could